Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about my 30-day Sleep Better Naturally challenge that's going on right now. And I'm going to give you the lowdown of what's been going on in my life with this sleep challenge and some of the products that I've been using. I'm really excited to share a few things. First of all, if you watched my first video, you know that I've been struggling with this twitchy eye. Yeah, it got really bad. 2 days ago, I was like, what is wrong with me? There's gotta be something massively wrong. It's been 7 weeks. Well, I was doing a little bit of research. Yes, I've been trying to get to bed on time. In the last 2 weeks that I've been doing this sleep challenge, I'm happy to announce that I've only gone to bed after my bedtime about 3 times. That's actually so good. Can we just give myself a pat on the back for that? Because I'm here to tell you that has always been a struggle. I don't want to be told when to go to bed, but I did it because of this eye twitch. I was like, we are dedicated. I'm so tired of this eye twitching that I was like, what is it going to take? So yeah, I've been doing really good with that. But guess what? The eye twitch, it wasn't going away. So I got on my computer, I started doing some research, and I discovered that it could be a sign of dry eyes. So I started putting eye drops in my eyes, and guess what? The eye twitch disappeared. So the sleep challenge, although it motivated me to get to bed on time, we have fixed the eye twitch. It was just simply dry eyes. And now I can share with you the things that I'm using to get a better night's sleep. Now, I will tell you, I feel so much better. And I actually feel like my skin looks amazing. And if you're interested in how I grow crazy long hair, put a comment in the comments if you'd like to know some natural ways to really support healthy hair. I can make some videos on that because I definitely have a lot of experience with this. Yeah, it's a lot to manage. I'll tell you that. But I have brushes all over my house, but I digress. Let's get back to the sleep challenge. I really feel like the 14 days that I've been doing this sleep challenge have significantly helped my well-being, my complexion, and just my digestion. I just feel so much more rested, even though I'll tell you, it's been really stressful. So my work has been super, super stressful. I don't know if I could have gotten through the last 2 weeks in an emotionally stable way without committing to these sleep habits. So here's what I do every night. I've actually been committed to not having my electronics for about 20 minutes before. I think I've only brought my computer into my bedroom 2 or 3 times in the last 14 days. So that's a win for sure. And I try and put my phone down and then just kind of rest and meditate. And I then use my 2 favorite products. Let's talk about them right now, Shinrin Yoku and the Serenity Stick. All right, so let's talk the Serenity Stick first. doTERRA's introduction of the Serenity Stick represents a new frontier in personal wellness and aromatherapy convenience. This is designed for on-the-go stress relief and relaxation and a sleep solution. And this is an innovative product that is infused with the calming blend Serenity and all of the essential oils in that are known for soothing properties. The Serenity Stick is formulated to promote feelings of relaxation and peace, making it the perfect companion for a sleep study. With the ingredients, it includes things like lavender, ylang-ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, and some other amazing essential oils that really help to bring out that tranquil feeling that is needed to get deep sleep. So the way that I love to use this product is to simply open it up. I actually rub it across my chest, on my wrists, and I also like to put it on the bottoms of my feet. Okay, can we just say, do you ever have brain chatter? This is perfect. Sometimes if I do, I put it right across my head here to really calm that brain chatter. This is why lavender is so good, because it helps to calm the brain chatter and be super relaxing. So that's a little bit about our amazing Serenity Stick. Like I said, I'm using this every single night. Serenity was actually my very first doTERRA essential oil that I used to help reprogram my sleep patterns. And it worked so well that I actually bought some oils and I decided to do the business. That was almost 13 years ago. And I'm so glad that I did. What a blessing. We're going to talk next about a brand new product called Shinrin Yoku. Okay, so Shinrin Yoku, I'll be honest, when it first came out, I didn't think I was going to love it because it is this foresty scent. And I don't know, I guess balance is one of my favorite oils, but I don't like that strong forest scent. At least I didn't think I did. And then I met Shinrin Yoku. Do you ever like have a new product come into your life that you're like, how did I live without this? Well, let's talk a little bit about Shinrin Yoku. First, I'm going to give you some fun facts. Shinrin Yoku is a Japanese term that translates to forest bathing. It is the practice of taking in the forest atmosphere through all of one's senses. It's a therapeutic technique known for its profound health benefits, including stress reduction, improved mood, and enhanced energy levels. An essential oil named Shinrin Yoku captures all of that essence, and it's absolutely amazing. So it's aromatic compounds of trees and plants typically found in lush forests. This is like what the oil is made of that helps to bring that harmonious, really soothing environment and energy. And I was told it was perfect to pair with Serenity Sleep Stick, and so far it has been. So to incorporate the essential oil Shinrin Yoku into your nightly routine, you can put this in your diffuser with doTERRA's Serenity oil as well. You can also take the roll-on and roll it right along your wrist here. That's exactly what I do before I go to sleep at night. And it's so refreshing. You are absolutely going to love it. If you want to get Serenity and Shinrin Yoku, I've got it in the link below. And this oil really helps to provide the sense of peace and connection to nature. And it's incredible. I know you're absolutely going to love it, and you're going to feel like you stepped right into the forest. So that's a little bit about the products that I've been using over the last 2 weeks that have greatly improved the amount of sleep I've been getting and my ability to fall to sleep. Even when I wake up in the middle of the night, I feel like I'm able to go back to sleep really quickly. I'm not dealing with a ton of brain chatter or the anxious feelings that sometimes come when you wake up in the middle of the night. I absolutely am so excited that I decided to do this 30-day challenge. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the 2 products I have been using really consistently. I'm in love with the smell of both of these products. And if you're interested in grabbing them, I'll put a link in the description below where you can start your own natural sleep routine with some amazing products that are just luxurious. They feel luxurious when I go to bed at night, and I put that Shinrin Yoku on my wrists and the Serenity stick across my chest and sometimes on my wrists as well. And then I fall to sleep, and I love the way it smells. And I just feel so rested when I get up in the morning. So if you found this video helpful or even interesting, can you please give it a thumbs up? That tells the algorithm that you like this content. And you're going to want to come back for week 3 and 4, where I give even more tips and we do a recap with some of my friends who are actually doing the same sleep challenge. So you can find those videos in the playlist that I'm going to put at the end here. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.